And at traders, we need two levels of belief. At the level of one trade, the market cannot be predicted. But at the level of 30 trades, you must firmly believe that whatever you're doing is going to make a heap of money. And that's quite unique to our business. What is the chances of you going to your dentist and leaving without paying? Pretty much zero, I would have thought. Okay. So an accountant, the books will invariably balance. Very few bridges fall down, so civil engineers rarely have a disaster on their hands. The pilots, and there was no levers anymore, but they pull this little lever and the thing goes up, and they push it and the thing goes down. So they live in a fairly an environment where whatever they do, a linear environment, and they now move from that fairly cozy, little environment to something like the stock market, where when they're new, they're going to get this right 60% of the time, 40% of the time they're wrong, and they find it very, very difficult to deal with that. And getting your mind around this whole concept of thinking in probabilities, I think that if anybody listening wants to read further upon that, then there's a book by the late Mark Douglas. It's called Trading in the Zone, and it's not an easy read, and it should be read half a dozen times.